Markus, what are you doing here? You did hear what my father said. I want you to stay away from me.
I'd like to apologize to you, Lisa. I know I messed up. I'd like to make things right again.
You lied to me. Sarah is mad at me because of you.
I didn't lie about everything, Lisa.
What do you mean by that?
I've told you that I love you. That wasn't a lie.
I don't believe you. It's just a trick you did. I'll never trust you again, Markus.
Please don't say that.
That is the truth. Now leave me alone.
Good morning, dear students. I need your full attention today. We're starting with a new topic today. Please be very careful. So let's get started. Markus, is everything okay with you? You look a bit tired. Didn't you sleep well? I'm not feeling so good, Mr. Coons. What exactly do you have? I feel dizzy and have a headache. Come to me for a minute, Markus. I want to see if you have a fever. That's weird. So you don't have a fever?
Markus is lying to you, Mr. Coons. He isn't really ill. He's just pretending. He's already lied to me and Sarah.
That is not true. I'm really not doing well. Markus is shaking very much. Something is wrong.
Markus, stop simulating. Everyone knows you're a liar. Get back up right now. Lisa, I don't think Markus is lying this time. He's really not doing well.
We need to call an ambulance. Quick. We must be quick. Every second counts. What has happened? He simply tipped over. Please help him. He is still so young. We're doing our best. We're taking him to the hospital. Hello, doctor. How is Markus doing? He is currently sleeping. We can't say when he'll wake up yet. He needs to rest first. What exactly does he have? We don't know that yet. It takes 2 days until the test results are available. Okay, thank you, doctor.
Please get well again, Markus. We miss you. Hi, Sarah. Hey, Lisa. How are you doing? It works like this. I'm worried about Markus. Yes, I'm worried too. Who would have thought that he was really ill? Do we already know what he has? No, we don't know that yet. I've heard that he's been sleeping for 2 days. It seems he hasn't woken up yet. Are you going to see him later? Yes, I'm going to the hospital after school. Are you still mad at Markus? Yes, kind of. But I also want him to get better. I can understand that. I hope he gets better soon. Would you like to come to the hospital with me? Yes, I'd love to. Why not? Okay, then we'll go to Markus together after school. Good idea. We're almost there. The hospital is up there.
Hello, doctor. How is Markus doing today? He is still sleeping. It may be a while before he wakes up. Are the test results already available? We'll have the results soon.
Here are Mr. Weber's test results.
Thank you, Sabine. Ah, yes, I understand. So that's the problem. What is the problem? Please tell me, doctor. Markus has something very rare. What exactly is it? He is heartbroken. It's the first time I've seen that, too. What does that mean? He can't wake up on his own. The person who broke his heart must forgive him. He then wakes up on his own. Who broke his heart? I can't say that. But only that person can wake him up.
Hello. We are Lisa and Sarah. Hello. What can I do for you? We are friends of Markus Weber. We'd like to visit him. That's nice though. Markus is in room 12. I must warn you though. His condition is unstable. He hasn't woken up yet. But you can go to him.
Hello, kids. What are you doing here?
We're here to visit Markus.
He's really lucky to have friends like you.
How is it doing then?
He is not doing well. He is heartbroken.
Is there anything we can do for him?
You're welcome to go to him and try to talk to him.
Hey Markus. I don't know if you hear me. But I'd like to tell you something. I miss you so much. I wish that you would wake up again. I'm missing something without you. And one more thing. I forgive you for lying to me. Please wake up again.
Where am I? What has happened?
Mark. Oh my God, you're awake.
Why am I not in school?
You're in hospital, Markus.
Why am I in hospital? But I'm healthy.
But you did have an illness. You probably just didn't know it.
What kind of illness did I have? I can't remember anymore. I was in school. Suddenly I became black in front of my eyes.
You passed out at school. Then you haven't woken up in 2 days. The doctor said you had a broken heart. I'll get the doctor. He can explain anything to you.
Markus, you're finally awake. How are you feeling? I feel very weak. That is completely normal. Markus, are you in any pain? I have chest pain. It's probably your heart. It is very important that you get a good rest. What's next, doctor? We'll keep Markus here for another day. His condition is stable, but safety comes first. All right. Can Markus go home tomorrow? Yes, Markus can leave tomorrow, as long as his condition remains stable. Let us go. Markus can then rest. All right, doctor. Thanks again, kids. It means a lot to Markus that you came here.
I'd love to, Mr. Weber. How is Markus doing?
He is awake, but he feels very weak. He must stay here another day.
Is there anything else we can do for him?
You've already done enough. We'll just have to wait and see now. Markus will soon be feeling better again. Go home. I'm sure your parents are worried. Markus will be back at school soon.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Weber.
Hi, Lisa. How is Markus doing?
Hi, Dad. Markus is already feeling better. He's awake again, but he still needs to stay in hospital.
That is a good sign. Don't worry. He'll be fit again soon. Did everything work, Markus? Yes, doctor. Thanks for your help. You're a really bright young guy for your age. Here's your money, doctor. Thank you so much. I can't believe it actually worked. I worked on the plan for a long time. Everything had to be perfect for Lisa to trust me again. What about your dad? I'm sure he was worried. It's worth it to me. What's next? I'm going to school tomorrow. No one will ever know the truth. What does the doctor get from Markus? A. A favor. B. A car. C. Money. Write a comment.